welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a closer depth into these things and parts of an iPhone XR and see what they look like on the inside. Let's get started. First off, I might actually keep this, but it's the mechanism of the SIM card tray. All it does, it just gets pushed in, and when that gets pushed in enough, it activates it enough for you to pull it out and away from the frame. This I am keeping, but other stuff will be getting destroyed. But yeah, I just want to get that out of the way. Next up, the charging port. Got a bunch of connectors. And sure that I'm not lying, nothing really much I can do on this besides just rip the cable off, but this will go in the bin to melt. Now let's take a look at some interesting stuff, like some cameras. Sorry about that. Does not want to budge. Well, let's get a closer look up. This is the thing that reads your face. I'm definitely underestimating this. My mom didn't raise a quitter, so just trying to show the insides for the viewers. So if you could just open up. Got the sensor. got the lens out. This is what sits on top of the lens, giving you your front-facing camera. That did not need to be that difficult. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. In the next short, we'll do this camera. Bye.